Hello, in front of me I have Huawei Watch 4 active, and I'm gonna show you how to disconnect from the Wi-Fi network on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. After you wake up the screen, you can press the crown button again to open the menu. Now, scroll through the menu, find the settings icon and tap on it. In settings, scroll through the menu and find the Wi-Fi option, then tap on it, then scroll down, find the option called Save the Networks and tap on it. And right here you have a list of networks your watch is connected to. And if you want to disconnect from the network, tap on the X button next to it, then tap on the check mark to confirm. And once you disconnect from the network, you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. And that's how you disconnect from the Wi-Fi network on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.